Welcome back here at the Schmiedmann workshop in Odense. Today we have an E92 BMW 325i in for a change of the ABS sensor, really important part. So let's get that fixed. Here it is, the old ABS sensor, which was no longer working. Let's get away with that. And boom, brand new one going into the car. Another happy customer here at Schmiedmann Odense at the workshop, sent safely into traffic again. And remember, if you need anything for your BMW or Mini, please go to schmiedmann.com and find parts for your BMW and Mini at the best prices in the world, and of course with worldwide shipping.